Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel before watching this video. Today we have the beauty in white Samsung Note 10 Plus with us. Let's do the quick unboxing of Note 10 Plus. This is the box guys from this angle, and this is the box from other angle. This is the Note 10 Plus. Ta-da! And this is the box from other angle guys. When you will purchase, and you will feel like this, and this is from back, Indian SIM card only, and knock security and duos system, Samsung Galaxy Note Plus. Let's unbox this. Let's unbox. And this is the phone guys, Note 10 Plus, and let me check it out. And it is wow experience guys. For me, that was the beauty of this phone, and especially in the white color. Let's check out the white beauty first. OMG, really. And on the YouTube I was looking lots of videos about the Samsung Note 10, and no one was showing every angle of this phone and how it looks, and I was watching again and again, and now I try to show you every angle of this phone in this video. I usually do the unboxing of that phones which I personally like, and that are the unique ones. And Samsung Note 10 is really unique. Everyone knows for S Pen. Now they have launched the quad cam. Fourth camera is the depth sensor, and this is the view from underneath, and S Pen is there, and speaker grill, USB port, C-type, and microphone hole. And I didn't even reveal the sticker from the phone because I want to see you how will you feel when you will purchase this phone. And this is the quad camera setup, and LED flash, and depth sensor also. So amazing guys. My experience was, I have sold my Apple iPhone, switched to Note 10, and I was really looking forward for good experience in it. And this is the upper view of the SIM card tray is there, and I will show you later. And this is the volume rockers, and there is the steel frame all around, the actually steel, not the aluminium, that is the steel, and that is very durable rather than aluminium frame, because aluminium one can damage easily in comparison of the steel frame. And this is the beauty from back, and let's boot it. I have already not my our setup is already done, and let me check the box contents for you. This is the charger, super fast charging they say, then maybe it's 15 watt. I have tried to read, but it's hard to read because the words are very small. And then this is the USB cable, and these are the AKG headphones, very costly, and the sound quality is good. I never checked it, and I will not say that one that the quality is very good, but I will check it out. Maybe I will show you the video. And this is the box, and very little box, and in it this is the S Pen nib changer tool, and 2 nibs extra in it. Let me open it for you and then check it out. Okay, let me open it. This is a small box inside, and this is the tool to pull the nib from the S Pen, and 2 nibs extra in it. And this is the warranty card, and maybe other things. The SIM ejector tool is there, and you can see the quick guide, warranty card, region log guide. And now this is the cover, silicone cover as usual, but it's best. And this is the full package that you will get in the box guys: phone, headphone, charger, USB, small box of nips, and this is the S Pen, guys. Let me pull it out, and now check it out. And when you will pull it out, and it will say like this. And this is a view from upside, guys. This is from side and side and side, and this is the S Pen, white color, awesome, looking awesome. Okay, let you check out the video. Okay, let me show you first how the phone looks from back when its white color comes. Oh my god, let me check, let me show you. Aura Glow is very in advertisement and everybody talking about this, but personally I like the white one. OMG, it's personal choice, but you can check out the beauty of the white one. You will say, oh, this is really fantastic. Now they have given gyro sensor. Bluetooth was already in the Note 9 series and in the S Pen, and now you can do many things. Now let me show you how will it look when you will hold in hand with one finger on back, two finger on back, three finger with four fingers on back, and every angle. I told you I will show you with the every angle of this phone, and how will this look when you will hold close, and when will someone see you from near holding this phone. How will it look when you will play with it? OMG, it's awesome feeling, guys, really. For me it's awesome. It depends on personal choices, and let me tell you, and it's easily accessible with one hand, and I have told you. And let me show you how much my hand size, and this is the phone, and this is my hand, and this is the phone size, and this is plus model, and I was using phone very easily with one hand. And when you want to do something, there are no excuses. If you want, if you like something, this is the phone I liked, and they will when you will connect to the internet, they will show you the updation of many apps. I have closed many, and but some apps I have to update must. So these are updation, and let me show you the how will it look when you will switch on. Let me unlock, swipe unlock. Finger lock is there, fingerprint lock is there in the screen, but when you will use in beginning, it will not that responsive for you, but after some time it will be very quick, because I think so that supersonic machine learning process is there, and it takes time. And now it's because I was using the Vivo Nex also. Now then I compared that fingerprint sensor with that, although that was very quick, this was very slow and not accurate. But after using some time for and it shows good now. It's quick, and acceptance rate is high now. And now Bixby also want to ask for updation. This is a supercharger, and this comes with the dual SIM card, hybrid SIM card. And there is the option with our other SIM, you can expand the memory or use the other SIM. This is the SIM card here I want to show you. And when you change the wallpaper of this phone, I think this is the boring one, and this phone looks amazing, guys. I can't tell you the beauty of this phone in the videos. Even I will say you, when you use it on the YouTube of Note Plus, you can't imagine what a beautiful phone is this. This is the really beauty, but in videos we can't imagine. Video can't show you that beauty. I have tried to show you from every angle, but this wallpaper I want to show you on the video, but on the video it's look not that good. But OMG, wow, you can see I am saying OMG again and again, because this is the beauty I have liked. I have stitched to this one Galaxy Note 1 Plus. Bye guys, have a nice time.